If you feel stiff when you wake up, tight after sitting, or sore after workouts, this video might change everything. Because today, I'm going to show you the ultimate full body mobility workout, a simple routine designed to help you move better, feel better, and stay pain-free for years to come. This isn't about extreme stretching or complicated exercises. This is about restoring the way your body was designed to move. First, let's understand something important. Mobility is not the same as flexibility. Flexibility is passive. It's how far you can stretch. Mobility is active. It's how well you can control your joints through their full range of motion. And if your mobility is poor, your body compensates. That's when pain starts creeping into your knees, hips, shoulders, and lower back. The good news? You can fix it. We're starting with the spine, because a healthy spine equals a healthy body. Begin with slow cat-cow movements. As you inhale, drop your belly and lift your chest. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin. Move slowly and with control. This wakes up the entire spinal column and restores movement that most of us lose from sitting too much. Do this for about 60 seconds. Next, we open the hips. Tight hips are one of the biggest causes of lower back and knee pain. Step into a deep lunge position. Gently drive your hips forward while keeping your chest tall. Then add rotation by reaching the same side arm toward the ceiling and twisting slightly. This improves hip flexor mobility and thoracic rotation at the same time. Breathe deeply and switch sides after 30-45 seconds. Now let's move to the hamstrings and posterior chain. Try a slow hip hinge, like a Romanian deadlift without weight. Keep your back straight, push your hips back, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Then return to standing by squeezing your glutes. This teaches your body how to bend correctly without stressing your lower back. Control is everything here. For the shoulders, we'll do controlled arm circles. Stand tall and make slow, large circles forward for 30 seconds, then backward. Keep your ribs down and core engaged. This strengthens and mobilizes the shoulder joint at the same time. If you want more challenge, lie face down and perform YTW raises to activate the upper back muscles that protect your shoulders. Now it's time for full body integration. Get into a deep squat position. Go as low as you comfortably can. Hold on to something if needed. Sit in the bottom and gently shift your weight side to side. Keep your chest lifted and heels down. This single movement improves ankle, knee, hip, and spinal mobility all at once. Most adults avoid this position, but your body needs it. Finally, we finish with controlled crawling. Bear crawl forward and backward slowly for 30 to 60 seconds. Keep your knees close to the ground and your core tight. Crawling reconnects your shoulders and hips through your core, building coordination and stability. It's one of the most natural movements we stop doing as adults, and one of the most powerful to bring back. If you do this routine consistently, even just 10 minutes a day, you'll notice something incredible. You'll stand taller, walk smoother, feel looser, and those small aches and stiffness will start fading away. Mobility isn't just about workouts, it's about longevity. It's about being able to move freely at 60, 70, even 80 years old. So don't wait until pain forces you to change. Start now. Move daily, move intentionally, and remember, when you move better, you truly feel better. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment mobility below so I know you're committed to moving better every single day. I'll see you in the next one.